Equity markets hit record highs a day after the interim budget for FY25 was announced. The NSE Nifty50 hit a new peak at 22,127 in intraday deals, while the Sensex too came within striking distance of a new summit. In the broader market, shares of government-owned companies witnessed frenzied buying after the finance minister proposed to invest up to 1.2 trillion rupees in oil and gas exploration and related infrastructure in FY25. Among sectoral and thematic indices, the Nifty CPSE index was the top gainer, up nearly 6.6% post-budget. Nifty Oil and Gas, PSU banks, and energy indices advanced around 5% each. In comparison, the NSE Nifty50 was up merely 0.2%. On 5th February, however, the markets ended lower after rising uncertainty over the geopolitical front and concerns over delayed rate cut by the US Fed soused the sentiment. Against this backdrop, analysts expect the positive momentum to continue, albeit intermittent corrections.
There was not a lot of big announcements that came up, but still the focus on the infrastructure segment as well as a lot of benefits for the banking segment came out from this particular budget. So we are actually positive about the rally continuing. In terms of the post-budget strategy, I would say focusing on the banking segment because of the lower yields that are going to come up, focusing on the infrastructure, logistics, railways as a segment which continue to get a lot of benefits from the government, and obviously focusing a lot on the green investing space.
Technically, analysts recommend to keep an eye on the Nifty's present trading range with 21,650 as the anticipated lower end.
Currently, it's a range-bound scenario between 22,150 and 21,650 range. If it goes beyond 22,150, then the next resistance on charts would be around 22,350 and 22,500. Whereas on the lower side, if it breaks 21,600 or 650 zone, then clearly we have a support at around 21,100, 20,800 and 20,600 on charts.
Apart from global trends, the focus will be on rate-sensitive shares as the 3-day Monetary Policy Committee meeting starts today. Among individual stocks, BLSE Services will make its debut on the bourses. Whereas Britannia, Godrej Properties, GSFC, Nykaa and TTML are few prominent companies scheduled to announce December quarter results on Tuesday.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's making plans for an early retirement. Business Standard.